carbon monoxide detection in our room. Carbon monoxide poisoning is the most common type of fatal air poisoning in many countries. Being colorless, odorless, and tasteless, it is very hard to detect but highly toxic. Carbon monoxide is absorbed through breathing and enters in the bloodstream through gas exchange in the lungs. Carbon monoxide combines with the hemoglobin to produce carboxyhemoglobin, which usurps the space in hemoglobin gland that normally carries oxygen, but is ineffective for delivering oxygen to body tissues. This leads to oxygen deprivation, which can be deadly. According to the Florida Department of Health, every year more than 500 people in the United States die every year, and thousands more across the India require emergency medical care for non-fatal carbon monoxide poisoning. These products include manufacturing, fuel burning, appliances such as furnaces, ranges, water heaters, gas and kerosene room heaters, fireplaces, and charcoal that in burn in homes or other enclosed areas. Still others die from carbon monoxide produced by non-home products, such as craft left running in the garage. The Centers for Diesel Control and Prevention estimates that several thousand people will go to hospital emergency rooms every year to be treated for carbon monoxide poisoning. The positive 5 volt and ground leg establishes power for the alcohol sensor. The other two legs are analog output and digital output. How the sensor works: in the terminal A out gives a analog voltage output in proportion to the amount of carbon monoxide the sensor detects. The more carbon monoxide it detects, the greater the analog voltage will output. Conversely, the less carbon monoxide it detects, the less analog voltage will output. If the analog voltage reaches a certain threshold, it will send digital pin D out high. Once this D out pin goes high, the